Hello everyone, Genuji Sanok and welcome to my channel. So that was City of Tshwane representatives disconnecting electricity at another property owned by Lerato Kganyago's husband, Thami Ndala. This was confirmed by the executive mayor of Tshwane, Dr. Nasipi Moya. The mayor revealed that Ndala Dynasty, an accommodation facility in the Pretoria CBD, owes the City of Tshwane 2.3 million rands in electricity bills. As if that's not enough, in December 2025, the mayor reported that the city had already switched off water and electricity at Thami Ndala Mall and Hotel Apartments, formerly known as Starland. At the time, the property reportedly owed the City of Tshwane over 600,000 rands. Fast forward to January 2026, the mayor confirmed that electricity had been illegally reconnected at the property without settling the 600,000 rands bill. As a result, City of Tshwane officials returned to disconnect the electricity once again. It has also emerged that the property allegedly owes an additional 1 million rands for water. When it rains, it pours. All of this is happening just weeks before Valentine's Day, a time when Thami Ndala is known for sparing no expense when spoiling his wife, Lerato Kganyago, from booking FNB Stadium to securing performances by music icon like Zonke. Anyway, today is me, tomorrow is you. Saktin.
Inside.